A customer, Alex, walks into a self-storage facility with one main concern. He wants private security inside his storage unit. Alex wants to talk to the climate-controlled storage facility manager Tom. Then Alex explains his need to manager Tom. Alex runs an event company, and multiple team members use the storage unit. He wants a private camera so he can see who takes what. Alex explaining, showing his concerns. Tom responds by saying they has no private camera option. Tom says they don't provide any private cameras inside individual units, only general facility security. Tom indicated the private CCTV will cost us a lot and will be humongous administrative and maintenance cost for us, and shaking his head, saying, "We don't offer this." Alex says, "I need monitoring, because my team members uses my unit." Just then, the manager's friend Perry walks in and overhears the discussion. Perry mentions, patented technology Alerteer has the exact solution. Perry tells them that Alerteer provides exactly what the customer needs, a private smart surveillance camera inside every unit. Then Perry explained the benefit list, Alerteer Smart Surveillance features. With Alerteer, each tenant gets live monitoring, face detection alerts, 10-second clips, and 24/7 smart security. No upfront cost, zero investment for the facility. Best of all, the facility pays nothing upfront. Patented technology Alerteer handles everything and only adds a few dollars to the tenant's bill. Tom gets excited and agrees and instantly calls Alerteer. Then Alex is happy. With Alerteer installed, he's ready to take the unit immediately. Patented technology Alerteer, private smart surveillance for every storage unit. Secure, simple, and smart. Call us at 8444-ALERTEER or emails us sales@alerteer.com.